we can how to switch on the motivation condition for the human. So that is a very important study, I think, for the future. Okay. And next chapter, I will show the connection between the brain and the machine. So this is very easy experiment. We set the optical cap for the subject, and this system measured the brain signal, and this brain signal was calculated by another PC. Then the control signal comes from this PC to this brain controller here. And C will start thinking. But we cannot check when C starts thinking. So C will stand pointed finger, okay? Index finger, like that. Now C starts thinking. And the train starts like that. I try also. I calculate in the brain, just. He is doing the mental calculation. So finally, we try to 18 participants in this experiment. So finally, we got 86% of patients succeed to use this training.
Before we move on, can I ask a question about this?
Yeah.
You mean that when someone thinks, then they can move the train? That's what you are saying? So when this guy or this girl is thinking, the train will move just from the brain?
Just a brain. Okay.
Excuse me, can I ask another question regarding the same question of Dr. Ibrahim. What's the transmission or how that can transmit or can take the orders from the brain to the toy? How can we send this signal? If there is a signal or order, how can we do it?
Actually, we can measure the hemodynamic change like that, and we change this signal to the voltage signal, because the train was the speed of the train was linear to the voltage. So we get the temporal signal like that, and this signal transfer to the voltage curve. Can you understand it?
Maybe partially, but I think there are no data cables or power connected between the...
Connected on the table, yeah.
So they can't transmit.
Yeah.
Can I ask one more question? About this, if, for example, we get a very hard problem, something that is very complicated. Then in this case, the train will move very fast, or doesn't depend on that?
Good question. So it depends on the the difficulty of the So in the case of if the human did a difficult task, the brain signal become large. So in that case, the train go very high in the very high speed. Okay. And also we applied this technique to the measure the ALS patient, means this disease. Any yes.
The order to move the train comes directly from the train.
No, we are using optical topography. Just we put the optical fiber at the surface of the skin. However, the brain is working. So we try to measure the brain signal for the ALS patient. So this is the actual the brain signal pattern when the ALS patient image the movement of the hand. And so, someone saying a very interesting rule, and the fundamental of the communication is just yes or no for the closed question. So we determine the rule for the ALS patient. At first, if ALS patient if ALS patient wanted to say no, don't think anything. Don't think anything. So in that case, we cannot see any signal in the brain. And if ALS patient wants to say yes, please think something. For example, the mental calculation or sing a song like that. In that case, we can see that we can observe brain signal using this technique. And however, the other technique, please think about the other technique. There are main neuroimaging technique, optical topography and electroencephalography, brainwave system, and the magnetoencephalography and the MRI. And MEG and MRI is very huge. And also the cost is very expensive. And probably EEG is very cheap. However, the EEG is measured the very tiny